Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Vivo Y51. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you want to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, you're going to find here date and time. Now you can see if I try to change date and time, it's invisible. So what you have to do, you need to turn this off. Use network provided time. After turn this off, it will give you option to change date and time. You can easily choose the date you want at the time you want. If I decide to change the time even on my phone, I can easily change the time I would like to change. So in this way, you can easily change date and time in your Vivo Y51. Now you can see it's appear new date and time. It's like, for example, you are in Dubai and you went to London. If you turn on automatic network provided time, that's if you go there, that's going to be appear that country local area time. If you want to do that, you need to turn this on setting, scroll all the way down, click here system, date and time, and you can easily turn this on. After turn this on, automatically the phone going to be appear that country, that area local time. So within this you can easily change date and time in your Vivo Y51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.